Better workflow with Anna and Ivy Photoshop tutorial.
Hi guys, this is Anna from Anna and Ivy, and today I want to show you several ways how to change the color of an object inside of Photoshop. So this will be super quick and it's quite easy to make. So I prepared an image with several objects in different colors. They also have transparency, the background is transparent, and yeah. So the first option is to use the Hue Saturation panel. Click on it. You will change this thing here, and holding Option, you will get this small kind of arrow here, and you create a clipping mask with clipping on it. With Option hold, click back, you will remove the clipping mask. It's just to concentrate the adjustment we make on the layer below this. So moving here, we can change the color. It's not super precise, but it does the job, or it makes the job. So you can of course switch to reds if you have something with several colors inside, and for example you just want to change the red tones or the greens, you can change it there. So this is the first option. The second option is we can use the color overlay, which is the most convenient way if you have something with one color. So we will choose this one, this yellow one, and then you go down here to the effects panel and choose, let me see, color overlay. So this here pops up in the moment you click on it, and you can choose the color. At this moment my color blend mode is set to color, which creates a gray tone when I use white. So what you have to do if you want to simply tint the object is simply to choose normal. This way you can choose the precise color of your choice. Choose of your choice, yeah, you get what I mean. This way you can choose any color and overlay the whole thing and tint the object simply. So here we go. You can of course change the blend mode to screen or to pin light or whatever, but this is more experimental. Let's stay with normal. That's it. Here we go. So another option is, oh, let me just make this clear. Hue Saturation was this one, and this one is color overlay. So when you use the color overlay, you will get the small FX section here. You can turn this on and off if you want to, or double click on it, and then you will get back to this panel and you will be able to adjust the color once again. You can also use this color overlay for whole groups, so it's really convenient. Another option is you can, if this is like a trick or something, so to speak, so if you want to use the contemporary color of an object, copy it and then press Command and I on your keyboard. This way it inverts the color and the object itself, so the color of the object, and you will get the precise, kind of precise contemporary color of your main object, and this would make it, for example, easier if you want to create layouts and so on. So this makes it fast and easy to change colors and still keep the color harmony. So this is the other option. I will move this down here. And then last but not least, we have the clipping mask option, which is similar to the Hue Saturation option. Well, let me just I hope I spelled it right. So the clipping mask option is basically the same like the Hue Saturation option, but we can change the color more precise. So we will create a solid color, which is simply a layer with a color on top. And here we go. Now hold Option on your keyboard, and as soon as you scroll or as you move your mouse between the two layers, you can create a clipping mask. So this will overlay the color, this will overlay the object with a color, but it's basically plain, so all the texture is gone. This makes sense if you have a solid object, but if you have something like this here, it makes not too much sense to leave it like this. So you can simply move through these blend mode options, and in this case choose color. The issue with this is it changes the color, but it keeps the lightness and the saturation of the main object, so you won't be able to adjust in an easy way your object's saturation, so to speak. So you have to go back to Hue and Saturation or make other adjustments, like for example curves like this, but this is more kind of annoying sometimes. So yeah, you get of course nice effects with this, but not always what you're looking for. So I hope this helped, and I hope I could explain it in an easy way how to change color inside of Photoshop. And if you have any other questions left, so if you want to learn another technique inside of Photoshop, or if you have a question about how to make this and that inside of Photoshop, please feel free to write me a comment or a message, and I can show you how to do it in another video. So thank you for your attention. Have fun. Bye.